So hi friends, this is Amit and you're watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So here in this video I will provide you a complete information related to how you need to fill the application form of JEE 2022. As you all know, the application form of JEE 2022 has been released now. So here I will show you live how you need to fill the application form of JEE. Step by step I will provide you all the details so that you will not do any type of mistake in the application form. As you all know, if you will do any type of mistake during the application filling process of JEE Mains, you will have to regret later. That is some of the data that will be filled now. You may not able to change it in the later days. So it is very advisable. Do it very carefully and keep patience. There are lots of time available. It is up to 31st of March you will able to fill the application form. That's why I am providing this video now so that you will watch this. That is how you need to fill it. I will show you live from the start up to the last of the application. That is step by step. All those things I will show you live. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get all the update and information about JEE Mains and JEE Advanced in the same channel. Very soon I will provide you all the eligibility criteria and the document required for JEE Mains 2022 in detail. So do subscribe this channel so that you will get that video very soon in this same channel. So let's start this video. So in the browser you just need to type JEE Mains 2022 and you will able to see a link that is JEE Mains 2022, and by clicking on that you will be on the official website of JEE Mains 2022. That is, here you will see an option of registration for JEE Mains 2022. By clicking on that you will be in a new page, and then they will ask you for the for two options. If you have already registered, then you can fill the detail, that is application form and password, and you can log in. And later days you will do the same thing once you do the registration process. As you are doing the registration, so you need to click on the new registration option, and after clicking on that you will able to see all the detail of fee. That is, as you all know, 650 rupees per attempt you need to pay if you are from general, EWS, OBC, that is male, and from female category, the same category or any category, you need to pay only 325 per attempt. And for SC, ST and PWD candidate, you just need to pay 325 rupees per attempt. So this is about the fees that you need to pay, and here all the detail, that is a scanned photograph be between 10 KB to 200 KB. So if you don't know how to resize the image or you are filling the form by yourself, then you can go into the Google and you can type just online image resizer. You will find the option to resize your image. But if you are not so confident, you can take the help of any cyber cafe as well. But after watching this video, I don't think you will have any type of problem. You can fill it by your phone or laptop also, whatever you will have. And in the next video also I will try to provide you the list of document you need to have, and if you don't have, then also no need to worry, because you can provide the undertaking as well, and later you may provide the original certificate. So here you just need to click on the checkbox, and thereafter click on to proceed. After clicking on that you will be in the next page, and here you need to be very careful. Just try to listen my word carefully and try to do whatever I am doing here, because once you do mistake here you will regret later, because last year I have seen so many students regretting after doing the mistake. Suppose if you will do mistake in your mother's name, that is a spelling mistake, or father's name, you will not able to change in the later days during the correction period. So it is very advisable to be sure before putting any type of data here. So first of all you need to put your name, and thereafter father's name, and thereafter mother's name, and after that you need to select the date of birth, and it should be same as of your class 10th certificate that will be used for date of birth verification during your counseling period. So it is very advisable put the date of birth that is available in class 10th. And identity type, here you can select the Aadhaar card also, but in the list you will not see, so you just need to select the any other valid government ID with photograph. That is, your Aadhaar card will be valid here, but if you have PAN card you can choose that. A school ID card also will be okay. So after that they will ask for the government identity number, that is your Aadhaar number. You can fill it here, and thereafter premises number or name, that is your house number. So if you are living in a town you may put house number, but if you are in a village then you can skip it, because it is not mandatory. And after that sub locality, it is also optional. So wherever it is not mandatory you can skip that. They are taking the data just to know your location, so that based on that they will provide you the examination center, so that you will not have any type of problem during your examination. And country, here you can select India, and after that your home state, whatever it is you can select, and thereafter the district, and after that the pin code, email address, and email address should be correct because all the information will be conveyed through that email. So please try to fill a current email address so that you will know all the things. And same thing applied with the mobile number as well. So put all those things, and after that they will ask whether it is permanent address or it is different. So if both are same for you, that is it is wherever you are studying and it is your permanent address, then you can take on the same as present address. So after you should select the password, that there should be one special case, that is your name @ or your name, any special character, and thereafter some numeric that will be a strong password. After that fill the security pin, and thereafter you need to click on submit. After that they will ask you for the confirmation for everything related to your account, that is you need to review your detail, and after that click on that your name is correct, father's name is correct, and they are checking it. As I told you that you will not able to change it in the later days, that's why they are providing the option to check it again. And also it is my advice to all of you, please try to review everything carefully, and after that only proceed with the further thing of the application. So click on the mother's name, date of birth and gender, address, mobile number, email ID. After that click on submit and send OTP, and if you need to change anything you can click on edit registration form, that is you want to change anything, that is a spelling mistake or name mistake, anything you can change from now also. But after clicking on submit and send OTP you will not able to change that. So after clicking on submit and send the OTP, they will send you the OTP, so you just need to fill that OTP. So I am filling it here. After that click on submit registration form. First step is done, that is there are 3 steps in the application form of JEE, that is first is registration form, thereafter application form, and thereafter fee payment. So first step is done, that is registration form, your basic detail has been submitted. So now let's do the application form. Here they will ask you several things, that is first of all contact detail you already have provided during the registration. So thereafter personal detail, Aadhaar detail, exam and center detail, qualification detail, additional detail, document upload, and final submit. These are the things you need to do. So how you will do? So let's start with the personal detail. Few of the things will be already filled from your registration detail, and the rest you need to fill, that is the nationality again you have to select, and the state from where you have done the class 12, because that will be your state of eligibility code, and that will be used for home state quota during the counseling period. And if you don't know about home state eligibility and what is the benefit of that, you can check my other video also. Everything have been clearly mentioned, and later days also I will try to provide you the same information so that you will able to know what is the benefit of home state and how you will get the benefit of home state. As of now you just need to fill the class 12 state wherever. Suppose if you are from a state A and you have done the class 12 in a state B, then you need to fill the B, that is the state B. In the earlier option, that is in the registration option, you need to fill the state from where you belong, but here you need to fill the state from where you are going to complete the class 12 or you have completed the class 12th. After that you just need to select whether you are a PWD candidate or not. So if you are a PWD, here you can select yes, and after that list of residence, where you live, annual family income, how you have done the preparation, it is self-study or online coaching, anything you can put, it is just the formality. And after that medium of a schooling, in qualification in qualifying exam, whether you have done the board examination in English medium or your state board medium, that is Hindi or Bengali or any other, you can select here whatever applicable to you. After that fill the security pin, and thereafter click on save and next. After the personal detail, they will ask you for the Aadhaar details. So if you don't have Aadhaar card, you select here no, and if you have, then select yes. And I think most of you will have the Aadhaar card because it is mandatory nowadays. So after that click on submit, and thereafter they will ask you for the Aadhaar detail. Then you just need to click on I agree to share my Aadhaar number and all the detail with the NTA so that they can verify all the things, and thereafter you will able to proceed with the application. So okay, so after the Aadhaar detail, they will ask you for the exam and center detail, and that is whether you are applying for paper 1 or paper 2, that is 2A or 2B. We can be planning. So if you are just appearing for the engineering entrance, then you select only one information, that is you will able to fill this form for the session 1 only, and for the next session they will allow you to fill the application. That is, you just need to sign in the same application and just need to pay the session fee, that is 650 or 325 as per your category, and you will able to attempt the next session of the examination, that is next attempt. You just need to fill the application form now, and at that time you don't need to fill the application again. You will just log in your existing application, and thereafter you will able to attempt the next examination. And that time also I will inform you on how you need to do that. At the time also I will show you live. After that, just select your medium of exam, whether you want to attend the examination in English, Hindi or Urdu, and depending on your previous selection of language, they will show you the option here. As I have selected English in the last option, so here they are showing only 3 options. And after that, exam CT choice, that is first state and thereafter the CT. So you just need to select 4 choice, and most probably you will get the first choice as your examination center during the exam. So according to your convenience, try to select that, and after that you need to select your parents' occupation and qualification, that is your fathers and mothers. So this is about this that is exam and center detail. So after exam and center detail, we are here now, that is qualification detail. So here basically you need to fill your class 10th detail, because class 12 appearing a student will not able to submit the detail. So class 10, first of all you need to select the past status and year of passing. Here you need to select whenever you have passed the class 10th examination, that is 2019 or 20, you can select that. After that, select the examination, that is class 10th or equivalent, place of a schooling, rural or urban, wherever you have done, just need to select, and type of a school, whether it was government or private or anything. That is if you are from CBSE, then you can select Central Board of Secondary Education, and from which state you have done these things. So there also you can select anything, whatever applicable for you, and district also they will ask, and from which board you have done, that is Central Board of Secondary Education, and result mode, whether you have got the result in percentage or CGPA. So whatever applicable to you, you can fill, and after that they will ask you for the roll number, a school college name and address, and a school and college pin code. So after filling the class 10 detail, you just need to fill the class 12 detail, whether you have passed, that is you are a dropper, or you are appearing. According to that you can select whether you are appearing in the year of 2022, and if you have passed, then when you have passed. So all those things you need to select, and that's it. These are the things you need to do during the application, and after that your application will be completely filled. That is, you are able to check that qualification detail. Thereafter additional detail, there will be few questions they will ask, and thereafter you need to upload the document. As I told you at the start, you need to upload the document. It is photo, signature, and your category certificate. That should be in a specified memory limit that I have provided you the detail at the start of this video, so you can check that detail also at the start of this video. And after that you just need to do the final submit, and you have to make the payment of this. And if you will stuck in the payment, that is your money is debited and your payment is not got confirmed, so no need to worry. Just wait 1 or 2 days, it will be confirmed either or it will be reflected in your account back. So once it will be back in your account, you can pay it again, so that it will be confirmed. So I hope you have find this video very useful. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe this channel. I will try to provide you all the detail related to JEE Mains and JEE Advanced in this same channel. So please try to subscribe. It's my humble request, and please try to share this video to your all friends, so that they can also fill the application form in the correct manner, so that they will not have to face any type of difficulty during the counseling period of JUSA 2022.